Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing and giving you a look at the TOUGHPOWER SFX, which is Thermaltake's latest small form factor power supply. It comes in 750, 850 and 1000 watts, and the 850 watt version that I've got here is going to set you back just under £160 and is currently available for pre-order in the UK. So this is a high-end power supply. It has a platinum efficiency rating. It has a 12 volt 2x6 connector to power your graphics card, and it is compatible with the latest ATX 3.1 standard. It uses 100% Japanese capacitors, features a single 12 volt rail. It features Thermaltake's smart zero fan mode, so when the power supply is under low load, less than 30%, the fan's going to stop spinning, helping reduce noise in the build. And for your peace of mind, it comes with a 7-year warranty. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed and I'll give you a closer look at it. So you can see our power supply is lovely and compact. It's 125mm wide by 103.6mm long by 63.5mm tall. We've got our 90mm fan, which supports Thermaltake's smart zero fan mode. So in terms of our connectors, these two are for our 24-pin cable. We've got 3 connectors where we can either plug in an EPS or PCIe cable. We've got our 12 volt 2x6 cable to plug into here. And then we've got 3 peripheral connectors. We can either plug SATA or Molex cables. So in terms of the cables that come with our power supply, we've got our 24-pin cable. We've got our 12 volt 2x6 cable to power your graphics card. And if we take a closer look at this cable, you'll see it's rated for 450 watts of power. If your graphics card doesn't have a 12 volt high power connector, you are still going to be able to power. We get a standard PCIe cable, which comes with 2 8-pin connectors on it. We've got 2 8-pin EPS cables for providing additional power to your CPU. In terms of SATA power, we've got 2 separate cables, each with 4 connectors on it to give us a total of 8 SATA connectors. And we've also got a cable with 4 Molex connectors, and also on the end of this cable we've got a floppy adapter. In terms of the other bits that come with our power supply in the box, we've got some paperwork. We're going to get our walls power cable, and obviously if you get the UK version, it's going to come with a UK plug. We've got some cable ties. And if you are planning on using this in an ATX case, you'll be pleased to see we've got this ATX mounting bracket. There's 4 small screws. You're going to simply fit this onto the back of your power supply, and then you're going to be able to install in the case, which only supports ATX mounting. So if you are planning on doing a small form factor build, this is definitely a power supply worth considering. I think the only thing to point out, if your graphics card you're using doesn't use the 12 plus 4-pin PCIe cable and you're planning to use the standard 8-pin cables, just be aware that it only comes with one of these cables with 2 8-pin connectors, so make sure that's going to be enough for your graphics card. And the only other thing to point out is the 12 plus 4-pin PCIe cable is rated for 450 watts and not 600 watts. But certainly for any build that I'm doing, this is going to be more than adequate, and I'm really looking forward to getting this into a build shortly on the channel. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.